Welcome to the place when you want a good time. Just for fun and the place when you open your mind. Just for fun and we don't want to see it done. Just for fun after the drop done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Yo, cheese chicks, see one plan kept the weather look for you, you know.
Look for you.
Yo, what go on? Good morning, good evening, good night. Depending on what time the video reach you and which part of the end of the world. See me? Yeah, I should to say the reason I couldn't see me in a minute. I kind of meet now look a fender bend there, you know them way there. Like me not showing in my first vlog say, oh, car can do pretty much anything except wire house. And fixing bike is one of them thing there. And for all who did not pay attention, me done showing to say, the little bike shop and me did work out, face bike did down there, but it did kind of mash up. And me promise him, say me don't fix it for him. So me finally fix it and we decide, say, yo, we'll take it on a test run, go to Portland, go check Darius old man. Me I sure say everything that I go on good. The bike them a tickle nice. We are cheap. So all of a sudden I look a full jump and them brakes in front of me. Almost sink carrot. Yo, we live at the 85. Selfie. Bike life we say. You don't know. We're out there. Yeah, fool. Back. 85 miles an hour. Yo, I should have said it's like a miracle, you know. Cause what? And the two and them land panning on it stick up on the ground and broke my fall. Alright, safe me. Yo, my people, my good. My bike life, I say same way. Yo, my link on the back later, see? Oh. Real talk. Hey, I'm going to show you say some a two white, you know. Like some tourists, a man and a woman. Like the man come out of the car and them dip and, is he okay? Is he okay? And I look on face and ask, is he okay? Is he okay? So same time the woman come out of the car and she must have prick face. I'm here, she say, oh, honey, get back in the car quick. He's bad news. He looks like bad news. And them jump back that car and peel off. So even though when I get to collect nothing for pain and suffering, it's all good because we're there in a one piece still, you know. Neck just a little bit stiff, but you don't know. We get over it. Yeah, anyway. So I promise you, say I'm carrying around at the yard. Because showing some of the work where I go on, see? So in between that time there, a little daughter linked me up in my DM and I show me say she deal with real estate and them thing there. So she show me say she watched the whole of my show them and my live them and she one of my biggest fan and a bag of things and then me hear she start talk some money talk and same time me hears them tweak out. Cause I don't know say that me I deal with. Then she start going to which one her favorite episode and she like when me did and a bag of more things and me I sure I say yo baby back up to the part where I talk about the money cause that me I deal with right now. So she show me say me should have rent out the place right away. Cause the people that want to rent out a place like that in an era like that more likely I go fall upon hard times and I go have problem with them and the rent. So me have to take a real look into myself and me I say, yo, blow out. Come like me's a perfect example of that. So me have to keep it real. Cause if me's a landlord, I don't want me as a tenant. Jah know. Anyway, she show me some me should Airbnb it out to some foreigner. And she can't work out a deal with them for me. But them gonna pay me in a straight foreign currency. So me I say, what kind of foreigner would I really want to stay at them place there? And she show me say them have some youth out of Europe and foreign where them a deal with backpacking. But the man that will stay in a bush in a tent. So if me give them my place a little current them can charge them battery and some Wi-Fi. I peg us that. She show me say she can get people to stay right here so. As long as me have some decent Wi-Fi. So she show me say let's get at least one bathroom them ready for now. Get the current going, get some Wi-Fi and she start get me some client. So today I'll get to meet her face to face for the first time because she's supposed to come pick me up and drop me off over the yard. Yo, me I show them say.
All the money thing there go.
Yo, I don't come draw down come in the wheel and come ask about money Rasta. Yo, go and look walk here. Sure.
Yo, me never hear nothing like this. That call me hard, you know. You ball to me and tell me say,
You're 3 months behind for your rent and you have to dash out there and you man and you pick with them. You go down for your knee and say, yo, if you make me lend you money, you give me back in a 1 month time. And 6 month time now, me I try call you, me I text you, you not respond. Now me see you, me ask you, what go on? All my things. You go tell me, if you go look walk Rasta, and that you tell me?
Yeah, and that to say. But I'm going to look what I have. You know, when a man come run down for me them way, I come ask about the money. Saying, well, look what.
You know what? Go on in and pan it. And I watch you.
Yo, anything you never hear before, when I go hear it round here, so. Cause yo, I never know say a man can't owe a man him money. And I tell a man for go look work, forget it back. Yo, I just saw them place I said. Anyway, you know, I'm old and fresh, you know. So, me soon up on the side, see? In a few, cut. Electrical assistant for which house? How I one bird that dealing, man.
Chiga, never know say that come on when they come pull up on me, you know. Is that a good look? As I may have to play it off, make it look like harass me. God, the boy one me do I talk to police.
I know me I get impatient. So you have for me.
Yeah, no, Chiga. There's like a pestilence in my life in that Chiga. I just try better than myself. I just try bring me down. Let me live that Chiga. Let me live now. Chiga, the man look too hard. You see the house over there, so but the one sit down on the veranda. I think I'll follow them around the thing. Cause over there, I walk through the yard and I peep through the window. I see cheap computer in there. I said to myself, I one man me know a cheap computer, you know, and I use them chat. And a video editing them deal with. Sometimes I see them people with cheap computer in them house. It kinda raise me suspicion, cause I don't know no video man live over there.
Yo, I never know what go on, you know. I just want to chigger up and leave in front of my yard start. Because I don't want nobody around there come mix me up on no police business.
You know me and the chigger? First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to commission the office. I'm going to make a formal complaint against the chigger. Because you have to stop, chigger. I can't take it no more, chigger. You have to stop. Chigger, just give me a few more days. I'm going to make an officer red alert for sure.
Well, alright. 2 more days. Because I'm going to need something better than that to work with.
So I said, chigger, I don't know about the thing I go. I'm going to get some of the spoils. Well, maybe not. I just feel like it.
Alright, good. Chigger gone. A bird for this fly away right now. I'm going to feel like deal with them right now still now. Sure.
Hey, you chat me up top now. Smile up yourself there, my youth. Smile up yourself there.
Boy, come like look upon my side today. Cause trust me, baby, me really never want to deal with him. Yes, my people. Boy, me I show you say the one bird is like a pitch here upon me from where the and it's like me can't shake him. Glad him never knows I mean I joke. Cause I come over here with a bag of long talking. And I don't see the mission right now. Different thing with the pan. Anyway, we're there with the real estate agent. What I'm not telling about. She named Arthurine. Why I say Arthurine? Say something now. You're going like you're shy.
Hello to everybody.
But I put her information on the screen. But through me knows enough on she say she drive big truck. And she hot. When I go and call her for some different thing other than real estate. I mean, I want to put her in them situation, so I make she deal with fair thing, or she normally deal with fair thing, you see me? Yeah. Right about now, hot wire in the house and them thing, and I'm going to go do some cleanup. But no worry yourself. I'll go on a POV view of the estate and some of the work I do so far, see? But first, I'll finish discuss some business with Arthurine, and me catching up on the next cut. Out. main entrance for the estate. And me and them two Roman Greco style column there, you know. Cause you can't have estate without column. All I go on, I shot you with a wicked for me Airbnb picture, you know. All without the paint. Hey, it's when time release a video. Any foreigner see the video, just know so right now, as is, if you don't want to rent that space here, $35 a night for a room and $100 for the whole place, see? And right now we're going to work with foreign currency, see? Pound, US, Canadian, things of them nature there, you see me? So to all you backpackers that may be watching this video, hold on, I could change up that. Yeah, to all you guys that like to travel around with that big giant knapsack on your back and travel off the beaten path and explore, this would be a perfect place to stay and start your exploration because we are only 5 minutes away from McGregor Gully. Tivoli Garden, Jungle, Rima are also within decent hiking distance from this location. An adventurous thrill seeker would make a perfect fit for this estate. Anyone interested, my link will be in the description. Anyway, my viewers and fans, the great hot boy inside there doing things. I could go in there so I go and say, I don't know what I shot you bad, you know. I should have $40 room I charge, you know. You know, I'm not kill nobody. Cut. Hot boy, I want to go on.
Where I say, Rudy?
Yo, Mr. Bird out to do I tell police say my assistant electrician in here. How am I talking about?
Well, it's me. This is the move on my yard for the lala, yeah. So maybe it's that I talk about, Rudy.
Yo, hot wire, I really don't want the man in my place still now. Because the man I deal with a different thing from what me I deal with. So I say,
Well, I never know that, Rudy. Because the way me talk about the eye, if you see the eye, I'm going to flow up on the same circuit.
no, Virgin, me and the man in no kind of circuit. Neither series nor parallel. And that's a fear language.
I swear I never know so the current is weak between the item like that, Rudy.
And a low current or low voltage thing in the hot wire. But that's no want the man in nothing to do with my personal life, you see me? Jim get a little partner and move with me. All of a sudden I feel like him can come even up himself. And any idea him just chat too much higher. Then I call him Bird for nothing. Come like him name the whole parrot. Batty and all.
I can dig it, Rudy. Because I always tell him to Rudy, if talking could have produced current, Rudy, him could have run a whole house off him out, Rudy.
Yeah, run your mouth energy. Anyway, give thanks to clean up the place, innit? You know, look so clean, boy, I could have sleep on the floor. And that means I come over here, come down today now. Go and clean up the place, because I'm going to so get it rent out.
You forget your hot wire name, Rudy. You know, I too clean for clean up, Rudy. You forget as an electrical engineer, Rudy. I don't deal with clean up, Rudy.
Then if it's not you, how?
I better clean up the place, Rudy. I'll wait it down and all them thing there, Rudy. But if I you I am Rudy, come like him I am himself.
What? I owe itself.
Cause the whole time him there, Rudy, I just boss take him a call you.
No. No guy now come hire themself by me, and me have to pay them. How him feel like? I hope him take check, but him not take none with me.
But Rudy, you're still not ready for rent yet, Rudy. So I can rent this, Rudy.
What? You never hear about them foreigner they wanna walk on with them big giant knapsack upon them back.
Rudy, them call them backpacker.
So I say hot wire. You know about them thing there?
Well, me personally, Rudy, I never backpack yet. Rudy, I doing that. But it's a whole heap of woman and man, Rudy, in a foreign, but them love deal with them thing there. Them walk on all day with a whole house on them back.
Seen.
Then Rudy, I never tell about I uncle and him, Sucker.
No, me and I never talk about no sucker.
But I want to show you, say, him have some cottage and them thing there, Rudy. Right side of the river, round the shot there, the Blue Mountain section there and them thing there. Rudy, the backpacker them a swarm him like bees, Rudy.
The same thing me I try there so hot wire. Them have a word what them say them like use for rough. Them say them like it when it rustic.
Yes, Rudy. And them kind of current them like, Rudy. But at the river, I give me energy. You see what I say, Rudy? You don't have no river, Rudy.
Then the rustic them like. What can more rustic than a push a canoe down McGregor Gully during the rainy season? We are chat about that wire. Yo, hot wire. I need some juice ASAP, you know. You don't know JPS are going already. So I say, you couldn't, you hold on it. You my people, me go end up like a writer, so you know. Kind of discussion here, and off your camera. So man has a respect and all things of that nature there. Me soon up on the next one, saying out.